Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. And as you may or may not be aware of, Toby Fox, the guy who made Undertale, released a new game called Deltarune, which is a lot like Undertale, but I don't think it's supposed to be a sequel. But it's just pretty much like the first chapter, and I'm already like obsessed with all the characters, and it's just it's a really charming in the same way that Undertale was. And yeah, I I can't wait for the rest to come out. I know that it's probably gonna take a really long time because he's like completely on his own. Basically, it's just him, and like he's got help from he's got help from the for art. I think he's got help, but yeah, it's on one hand like I kind of want to wait because I feel like the reason the game's so charming is because it's like all his humor in it and everything, and I don't know how it would translate being made with a team, but like I'm sure if you're a good director, like you're gonna make a game, you know, so yeah. But it's a really fun game if you have time. It's free if you want to try it. It's free. You just go to his you go to deltarune.com, I think it is, and you can just download it. Yeah, this is just a little sketch of Ralsei that I drew right after beating it because, yeah, I've been on like a huge fan art binge. If you want to see all of it, you should go check out my like Tumblr and Twitter because there's lots of fan art there. But yeah, I guess I'll just end the voiceover here and I'll let you guys enjoy the little Sketchbook Sunday music. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.